I have some breaking news if you guys hold XRP. We today had finally the crypto summit that Donald Trump had promised at the White House. This took place around 4 p.m. Eastern. They did not mention anything specifically about altcoins or XRP, and I think that's why we are seeing altcoins pull back a little bit, and the market even sold off, including Bitcoin. However, yesterday, Donald Trump officially signed the executive order regarding the Bitcoin strategic reserve, and the market sold off as a result because it did not have anything specific as far as language is concerned regarding altcoins and XRP, and that's totally fine. But it's also a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And as you can see, cryptos have been pumping and dumping this entire week. The volatility has been crazy, but the good thing is we are now moving past this hype event, which has caused so much volatility. Now that this hype event is now past, the market can resume its normal bull market activities. There is so much to talk about regarding XRP and cryptos. Make sure that you stick around to the end of this video. You cannot believe what is taking place. Most bullish thing today regarding this whole crypto summit right here, this man right here, that is Brad Garlinghouse. That is the CEO of Ripple. He sits at the table of this strategic crypto council that the White House and Donald Trump himself has made. And so all of these people are heavily involved in crypto, and they're going to be helping Donald Trump throughout his presidency, with crypto innovation regarding the United States and their strategies with altcoins and XRP and Bitcoin and what they plan to do. This is very, very bullish. So this whole week, the market has been going absolutely crazy, trying to figure out what's going on. But the good news is that this hype event is finally done with. So we need to get to the charts and figure out what the heck is going on. So Bitcoin, despite everything, it is continuing to form higher lows. That is to a degree somewhat bullish. But as you can see, this past weekend with that bullish announcement on Sunday, we had rejected strongly. And again, yesterday, we rejected strongly, even with the most bullish news possible. So when we are selling off consistently, even while the market has such great bullish news, to me, that is a sign, to a degree, give or take, of bearishness. It is possible that in the short term, we do end up bouncing up and pumping a bit. But seeing these constant sell-offs is bearish. It's indicative that we might see lower prices. One thing we definitely want to pay attention is the S&P 500 and also the NASDAQ, which are showing bottom signs. These are bottom candles. We are holding the support, and we are holding very strong here. This is the NASDAQ. This is the S&P 500. This is very, very good. And we've also been seeing the dollar sell off aggressively. And that is also good for cryptos as well. If we take a look at gold, gold is still consolidating and holding strong. So everything that we are looking at on a macro level is somewhat bullish to a degree. And after Bitcoin and cryptos have had such a strong correction, I do think that Bitcoin is getting ready to make another leg up. I don't know if we are going to make new all-time highs in the short term, but I do think Bitcoin and cryptos are probably going to be holding up and making a strong pump over the next few weeks. This is pretty much what I am thinking, and I am expecting XRP, as we had predicted the $3 pump just last week before the pump took place. I think that XRP is going to probably be trading around the $3 range and above, and we might see new highs for this year of 2025. This is kind of what I'm thinking is going to be happening in the short term. And this, as you notice, despite all the dumping, we are forming higher lows. So that is showing us that there is buying pressure and that the buying pressure is quite strong. Another thing we want to really be taking a look at here, ladies and gentlemen, is the XRP to Bitcoin chart. The XRP Bitcoin, this is XRP against Bitcoin. It is very, very strong. It's holding strong. It's looking very bullish as well. And something is happening behind the scenes for XRP. That's why it has been outperforming the majority of cryptos this week and holding very, very strong. Personally, I think something is in the works. And as we have been mentioning and talking about for quite some time, we do have the ETF approval and a whole bunch of bullish news catalysts taking place for XRP. Now that Trump did not talk specifically about any altcoins today, there's probably soon going to be confirmation of the strategic reserve involving XRP, Solana, and Cardano in the short term. So That's going to cause a pump for XRP. Yes, it will cause volatility and probably like a quick pump, whatever, but that's going to be very, very bullish. And once the market really starts to understand that and price that in, however that's going to be implemented, it's going to be exciting. And what I think is probably going to be happening, let's be real, is with the Bitcoin reserve, what they plan on doing is they just plan on holding the Bitcoin that they have already acquired, which is, I believe, 117,000 Bitcoins, if I am not mistaken. You guys probably have the better number, and you can let us know in the comments below. But what I think is going to happen with the strategic reserve regarding altcoins is that the White House and the US government, they're going to be buying periodically altcoins and holding onto them. So I think that's what's going to take place, and that will cause a lot of buying pressure for XRP and cryptos. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon. I tell you exactly when to buy. We bought right here. I tell you exactly when to sell. We sold right there. That was the recent trade we took. You guys will have the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, period. And you could follow them by joining the Patreon. If you want to learn how to trade cryptos full time, you join the class tier. As well, make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This indicator, once you add it to your charts, it will tell you exactly, like my alerts, when to buy, when to sell before huge moves take place. In addition, you really want to be trading over on Blofin. This is the platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. You get also a $100,000 deposit bonus, but you can also be making incredible trades, paying yourself weekly. Like here's the trade I took today. I longed XRP and we made about $1,400 or $1,500 on that one. And then the other trade, we made about $1,000 longing Bitcoin. Make sure you guys are using this platform. It's going to have the cheapest fees regarding trading, period. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, check out the things in my video description, and I'll see you later.